how to reset the oil life in this 2007 Lexus, known as Lexus. I mean, it's Lexus, but you know what I'm saying. 2007 Lexus RX350. Alright? So we don't have the pin around here in the cluster. We don't see it. We don't see no special buttons here. We can do it when it's running though. Okay? We're gonna do it when the car is running. Okay? So we're gonna go straight to info here, right? You'll see this one right here. And then you see it right there. Engine oil. And there it is. You see it right there. Hit it. Hit the reset button. Update this maintenance item. Oil change. Yes. Setting for oil change has been updated. Good. Now we go back. The oil filter. Reset. The same thing. Good. Now go back. Tire rotation 2. I mean, you can do it if you did it, or you know, if you didn't do it but you don't want to see that message, just do it anyway. Yeah, update this maintenance item. Rotate tires. Yes. Oh yeah. Alright. And that's it. That's it. Just go back. You know, go to menu, main menu, and that's it. That's how you reset the maintenance light, the oil life in this 2007 Lexus RX350. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you.